Okay, so you guys are ready? Now same thing we will do, but with the shuttles. You will not get shuttles on the back court, you will get shuttle only in the front court, and just try to keep it here. Only keep it here. Okay, net shot drop, right? Okay, you go back, you come front. When I will say start, you come front, you will go back, right? Ready? Start. See the footwork movement. Come, see the footwork movement and go. Come. Keep coming, come. Yes. Come. See, come faster, don't stop. Come. Faster, come. Yes, come. Come faster. Yes, come. Nice. Come. Yes, correct. Faster. Hey, why? Come. Why you are running? Come, faster. Yes, correct. Come. Pick up the shuttle. Faster. Come again. Come fast. Pick up the shuttle.
Here, you take it.
You go. Who wants to repeat again? Who wants to repeat? You want to repeat? Okay, any one of you. Come, Vashanta. Okay. Now you are able to do with the shuttle also. You are playing now. You are not doing practice. This is playing, right? Correct?
Yes.
You go back, you will come front. Ready? I will say start. Yeah. Keep it here. Don't lift. Keep it here. Yes. Come. See the shuttle. Come faster. Yes. Come. Bro, pick up the shuttle faster. Yes, correct. Dheere, slowly. Come faster on the net. Slowly, just keep it here. Come. Okay, no issue. I have not taught you how to do the net shot drop, so I will teach you later. Come. Faster. Come. Yes. Come. Yes. Give me the shuttle. You go there. You go. You come here. You do again. Okay, right? Okay, go again. Okay, right? Yeah. Ready? You come front, you go back on the start. Yes. Come faster. Yes, come faster. Very nice. Very nice. Perfect. Come. Very good. Nice movement. Yes. Correct movement. Come. Yes. Come. Very nice. Come again. Faster. Yes. Come. Go. Hey. Come. Faster. 2 more. Go. One more. Come. One more. Faster. 1. Okay. I have told you something today, right? You remember or not? In the starting, what I told? You forgot? I told you something today in the starting, na? Hey bro, what I have told? Huh? Ready to play? Yes. Come.
Yes.
Come again. Now we'll have some more challenges. Yeah. To do. Now I will give you shuttle in the back court. You will hit the shuttle and you will come here and you will touch this. Okay. Now how you will touch it? Only like this. Don't hit, don't do anything. Just keep your racket here very slowly, very gently. Right? Like this from the top. When you are doing net shot drop, now what you are doing? From here. Actually, you know how to give the net shot drop? From up to down. Like this. Okay? This is like this. That's why I am trying to ask you to do this. Not for practice, just for your general understanding. Right?
Can you show?
Give me shuttle. Again give me. This is my backhand side, give me forehand side. Okay? Right? This is coming here, net, on the net. Okay? From the here to here. Just push very gently. I will teach you that because we have not come to that part. We are now on the basic footworks. Okay? There are a lot of things to learn, you know. Very common mistake. On start, you come front, you will go back, and with the same movement, now you have to hit the shuttle to the back court straight only. Okay? And where you will hit shuttle? At the maximum point. Okay? Just keep in mind. Okay, ready? Start. Faster, faster, go. Footwork, footwork, go. Touch, touch, how I have said. Come, come, faster, faster. See the shuttle. Don't see the back. Come, come, faster, faster, faster. You collect the shuttles. Faster. Touch the net from the top. Yes. Go back. Faster, 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 faster. How did you go back? Leave it, leave it, leave it. If it's out, leave it. Faster, faster. Come, come. Come. Faster, go. Go back, go back, go back, go back. Correct, 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 correct. Go. Come on, come on. 4 more, 4 more, 4 more. Fast. Go back, go back. 4 more. Chalo. Come on. 4 more. Come, 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 come. Go, go, go. Faster, faster, faster. 4 more. Come, 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 come. 4, 4. Yes. 3 more, 3 more. For you only 2. For you only 2. Faster, faster. Move, 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 move. Go, go, go. Faster, faster. See the shuttle. Come, come, come. Only 1. Only 1. Where you are hitting? Okay. No issue. You go. Go back. Go back. Ready? Come forward. Faster. Faster. Go, 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 go. With the scissor jump. Yes, yes, yes. Just keep doing. Keep doing. Don't stop. Faster. 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 Try to hit on the maximum point. Yes. Faster. Faster. Come, come, come. How I told you. How you have to do on the net. Come on the net. Net, net. From the top. Like this. I told you, na? Go, 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 go again. Yes. Come, 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 come. Net, net, net. Yeah. Come, come, come. Net. Come, come, faster, faster. Very slow. Come. Go, 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 move. Hit the shuttle at the maximum point. Go. Go. Go, 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 go. 4 more, 4 only. Only 4. Come, come. Only 4. We'll do only 4. Faster. Go, 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 go. Fast, fast, fast. Come. Only 3. Come on. Come. Faster, faster, faster. Come, come. Only 2. Come. Fast. Last, last. Come, come, come. Last. Faster. Okay, go, 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 go. See the shuttle. 1 more, 1 more. You missed 1. Come. Fast, fast, fast. Come, come. Faster. Last one, last one. Okay. Doubles.